Connor. Connor. Are we going to show our new talent? Huh? You want to show your new talent? Huh? Yes. Hi, cutie. Let's show off our legs, huh? Show off what we can do? Huh? What do you think? Huh? Hi, cutie pie. Hi. Yes. Are we having fun? Are we having fun, huh? Yes. We're going to show what we do with our legs, huh? Yeah, we're just going to gnaw on our fist. Yeah, that tastes pretty good, huh? That tastes pretty good. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Yes. Who's the cutie pie? Who's the cutie pie? Huh? Who's the cutie pie? Yes, you're the cutie pie. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Look. Huh? I'm gonna kick. Huh? Show off what we learned, huh? Yeah. Oh. Hey, little drool monster. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. We found his feet. Yeah, we found our feet. You kick the toy, huh? Yeah? Look at that. Yeah, you kick it again? Huh? There you go. Look, can you do it again? Huh? Yeah. Connor. Look. Yeah, we're gonna blow some bubbles. We're gonna blow some bubbles. Yes. Hi, cutie. Hi. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, who's a cutie pie? Who's a cutie pie? Huh? Connor. Connor. Yeah. Hi, sweetie.